In today's video, we are going to talk about N.V. Ramanna, the present Chief Justice of India. And the best thing about N.V. Ramanna is that he won the Nobel Prize in Physics. Do you know that? On figuring out how the sky is blue. And this is known as Raman effect. And all of this sitting in the Supreme Court. He is making laws of physics. Wait, that's not the same? That's C.V. Raman. What's the difference? It's just Chief Justice Ramanna who forwarded his CV for the Nobel Prize. That's not how it works. Getting back. I usually don't make videos in hope of something that someone might do something crazy later on because that's how Modi ji functions. Like, बाद में करेंगे ना.
मुझे credit नहीं चाहिए.
But this is one exception I want to make. So this topic is open to debate.
Nani?
The justice system in our country has gone for a toss thanks to our previous chief justices like Deepak Mishra, Ranjan Gogoi, and our one and only S.A. Bobde. Bobde tha na, he was one another level legend. Migrant crisis for him didn't exist. But Arnab, as he got arrested, bhai, immediately take up the case. People say, right, that Andha Kanun. He was literally Andha in this case. The priorities he had in taking up matters which were less important is gonna go down in the history books for sure. Bhai, aise namune cases he took up and all important cases gaye bhaad mein. Not interested only, दिखता ही नहीं है हमें कुछ.
मैं बोबड़िया दादा भंगारी दादा का दुश्मन. क्या बोला?
There's another legend from Allahabad High Court, Shekhar Kumar Yadav. He's like, government should bring a bill in the parliament to give fundamental rights to cow and declare cow as the national animal, and strict laws should be made to punish those who talk about harming cows. How is he a judge in the court, man? I have no idea. Even if you just go see a cow and be like, हाँ, इसे काट सकते हैं. You are punished. The only thing he didn't tell now was that reservation those cows should have to get government jobs and all. 10 to 20% quota. Wouldn't that be too less for cows? Okay, chalo. 51% quota there's reserved for cows in government. Like they can get in jobs over there. Maybe when you call the government office, they'll answer it. Moo. Okay, this is so lame. Then he was also like, this is Ram's place. So there should be laws for protecting Lord Ram in India. Isn't it true? Even I think so. This guy should become the next Chief Justice. What women Chief Justices and all this Ramanna is making. I think so this guy should be. Full cows and cows everywhere you'll see. Milk on the go. Milk ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा ना फिर. If so many cows you have. But in all this Namunagiri which is going on around the country where judges are acting like this, the previous Chief Justices acted like this, there may be a ray of hope. It's N.V. Ramanna. I don't know how long will it last or is he actually that good. But there have been certain decisions taken and certain statements he has made in the past couple of months since he has become the Chief Justice, which we should look at. So this gives us some hope that the justice system in our country still prevails. Like the Quint article says, ये दिल मांगे मोर. N.V. Ramanna is going to be a brand ambassador for Pepsi now.
मुझे क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए.
But make sure whatever statements I make in this video, you take it with a pinch of salt. ज़्यादा salt नहीं डालना है. थोड़ा सा ही salt डालना है. नहीं तो खाना salty हो जाएगा ना. So a pinch of salt only.
इलायची और उसके साथ साथ लौंग.
More like a fucked up dinner.
So we'll see some of his statements and some landmark judgments he has passed in the past couple of months. But later on also try to see that why you should see it with a little bit of skepticism. So the first one is Pegasus. Modi ji and Amit ji, going on spying on people. तुम क्या करते हो, क्या क्या नहीं करते हो, सब पता है भाई. रात को किसके साथ चैटे हो रही हैं? Modi ji's fantasy it is. Modi ji is that creep in this background who keeps on looking. Like, hi, bhai. So the matter was going on regarding this case since the past couple of months that a lot of PILs were being filed in the Supreme Court and N.V. Ramanna took it up. And finally, I think so yesterday or day before, he passed the judgment saying that he made a panel who will look into this whole matter, who will have a retired Supreme Court judge, then also some other experts in that field, and also said that this national security which governments keep citing for letting everything go can't be used always. Everything mein नेशनल सिक्योरिटी नहीं घुसेड़ सकते. रमन्ना ने बोल दिया नहीं घुसेड़ सकते. Right to privacy is a thing. He also raised concerns over freedom of speech and how it can be curtailed because of the government spying. So this is what Ramanna did. The Supreme Court also said every citizen of India ought to be protected against violations of privacy. Then the second one is collegium. Since months and months, I think so more than 20 months, the collegium thing was at a deadlock. Like no more appointments were happening in the Supreme Court. Since Ramanna has come, a lot of appointments have started happening. He has recommended a lot of names, which is a little bit criticized, which I will get back to later on in the video. Then the third one is sedition. He made a comment saying that is sedition still required in independent India? It was used by the British to suppress the people of India. So it shouldn't be there now. Fourth one is women reservation. This guy has taken a big stand when it comes to women reservation. He said that the women have the right to ask for 50% quota within the courts, which is an amazing thing, which I don't believe in actually, because women, how can they have rights, man? This is a joke. Joke. Then the fifth one, he had made a statement when he had just become the Chief Justice that just having elections doesn't guarantee against the tyranny of the government. Matlab sirf election kar liya, and that doesn't mean that the government won't be very authoritative over you, or they'll just do whatever the fuck they want. So we'll have to make sure that the law is implemented properly. Then the sixth one is emails. Modi ji aate email ke bottom mein credits lene. Supreme Court sends an email, Modi ji in the bottom. मुझे credit नहीं चाहिए. So Ramanna was like, Modi ji को निकाल दो वहाँ से. So immediately he was removed. Now I won't be surprised if Modi takes credit for this also. Modi ji removes his own photo from the emails from Supreme Court. मुझे credit नहीं चाहिए.
मुझे क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए.
Now when it came to the Lakhimpur Kheri incident where a lot of farmers were killed and one driver of the BJP MLA was killed, so all this thing had happened. Immediately NV Ramanna took it up, and he just didn't pass any orders as such, but he just made a statement that, I'm watching over you. What is happening over there? Why have no arrests been made? There are a lot of questions which he asked, and that just showed that he's keeping a close watch on what's happening over there. And immediately after that, you saw a lot of arrests happening. So the minister's son got arrested. So it was an amazing thing to do. Eighth one is bureaucrats and police. He said that he wants to make a new system where he wants to keep all these bureaucrats in the government more accountable, especially the police.
NANI?
Because, अपने police एकदम legendary है. एकदम clean ना. Can't even tell you, दूध से धुले हुए हैं. This Ramanna, he is conspiring against all these policemen. It's a shame. Then the ninth point, the government can't remove all criminal cases against the sitting MLAs and MPs unless the High Court removes them. So until then, it's going to remain. Before they would be allowed to, just remove them. Like Yogi Ji does it, hate speech and all, looked at it. Just removed all his hate speech against him only, which cases were they just removed it. He's like, I am the legend. No one else gives me marks. Yogi Ji was the type of guy who in school used to mark himself 100 on 100. Chemistry lesson mein, what is H2O? Gaumutra. Right, it's just fucking right. Then the 10th one is lack of debate in farm laws. He said that there is a sorry state of affairs within the parliament where there is no proper debate happening, when he was referring to the farm laws, that the farm laws were just passed and all. So he made a statement on that because of this lack of debate in the parliament, it becomes difficult for them to interpret these laws. So he made that statement too. Then one more, the last one, 11th one is like the taunt he made. Some guy was 5 years, he was in the jail and he still didn't get a proper trial to, get bail or something. And then Ramanna told the Assistant Solicitor General that why only 5 years you kept him in jail? Keep him for 10 years? Rakh lo na aur. It's like when you're sleeping and your parents come and see you. Arey, ab tak soye ho. और सोलो more 2-3 hours, take it and sleep more. वैसे ही तो लाइफ में कुछ करना नहीं है. We'll provide for you ना. Why are you worrying so much? We'll pay na. So these are a few examples which I have given which shows that there might be a little bit of shift in the Supreme Court. Like even Dushyant Dave, who has recently been a big critique of the Supreme Court, he too said that Ramanna is doing a good job right now. And apart from Dushyant Dave, then there are other judges who have said that there's a new spark. in all the courts right now since Ramanna has become the Chief Justice. But, coming to the big but, it's obvious that he won't come with his share of criticism. Definitely he will have his share of criticism. He has got insane amount of press coverage. I don't think so the past Chief Justices have got so much amount of press coverage. And this impression of Ramanna we have is more on perceptions rather than facts. Because on the ground, in the courts, not a lot has changed. I'm not saying that it hasn't changed at all. Very little has changed. Like when it comes to passing of orders or anything like that, it's not happening as fast as we expected it to be. When it comes to, let's take the sedition. He said that sedition is it required in independent India and all. But ultimately, no decision has been taken on this. And there are more of his speeches rather than the orders he has passed. Now, when it comes to appointment of judges in the Supreme Court, it looks like N.V. Ramanna has kind of just agreed to what the union government has suggested without any debate. And the collegium basically attracted some criticism when Akhil Qureshi's name wasn't recommended for being the judge in the Supreme Court. And Akhil Qureshi was the guy who had sent Amit Shah in Chikharabai to police custody when it came to the Shorabuddin Sheikh encounter case. So he was the one who sent him to police custody. And Akhil Qureshi is a very renowned person, so it was kind of a controversy when this happened that, why his name wasn't there. So this also was kind of a disappointment when his name wasn't there. Because Amit Shah ji ko bheja hai police custody matlab kya? Chigara bhai, justice lawyer finish kar diya bhai. Now some people compare him to T.N. Seshan, the old election commissioner in the 1990s. I think this is a bit too far-fetched an argument. It should be taken a little more chill. Thoda sa time jaane do, we'll see what he does in his term and then we should make more conclusion. Right now it's more on hope and a little bit of evidence. So let's see what happens. Maybe we have this impression of N.V. Ramanna is because the previous three Chief Justices were so bad. They were so bad that he is a bit better than them. So it's like a big step up for us. So maybe that's the impression too. Otherwise, Ramanna Dada will be there again for restoring the judicial system in India. Mujhe credit nahi chahiye. Now, if he does something good, that will be amazing for us. Maybe it will change the whole course of the future of the Supreme Court. And he's there only till August next year. Matlab less than a year left with him. And if he's bad in the future, then congratulations, it's less than a year left. And hope you have understood everything. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comments. And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.